If you're wondering whether you can plug a USB drive into the JBL Xtreme 4 and start playing your music straight from it, you're definitely not alone. It seems like it should work, and a lot of people assume the USB-C port is there for media playback. But here's the real answer. Even though the Xtreme 4 does have a USB-C port on the back, it isn't designed to read or play music files from a flash drive. That port works primarily as a power out feature, basically turning the speaker into a portable power bank so you can charge your phone or tablet on the go. In some cases, JBL may also use that port for firmware updates in the future, but as of now, it doesn't support USB playback at all. So if your plan was to plug in a USB stick and listen to music directly, the Xtreme 4 just won't do it. It's built around Bluetooth, performance only, and JBL focuses all its power and sound tuning on wireless audio. As long as you stick to Bluetooth streaming, the speaker performs incredibly well. But it won't act as a media reader. If USB playback is important to you, there are other speakers that actually support that feature. You might want to look at options like the Sony SRSX-G500, the Anker Soundcore Rave Party 2, or some of the Philips TAX series speakers. Those models can read files directly from a USB drive without any extra devices. At the end of the day, the Xtreme 4 is a powerhouse for Bluetooth audio, but it isn't meant to double as a USB media player. If you want help picking a speaker that does support USB playback, I can break down some great options.